Assalamu alaikum. This is a short demonstration of how to download Photoshop CS6 Portable to your device. So from your Google Classroom, under Classwork tab, click here Photoshop CS6 Portable, then click this link, then download icon here. This process may take some time, so be patient. Okay, from this window, click download anyway. It's good to download it to your desktop and click save. Okay, so from desktop, click this exe file. Then next, put it in the desktop and then click install and wait for the file to be extracted. Okay, now Adobe Photoshop CS6 Portable has been installed on your computer. Just click finish. The folder that contains the Photoshop is here at the desktop. You can just click the Photoshop folder, and then every time you want to use Photoshop, you can double click this exe file. You may need to enter username and password if your system is protected. And now Photoshop is uploaded to the computer RAM. You can now start using it.